Are you tired of cluttering your kitchen with numerous cooking tools and appliances? Say hello to the Ninja MC1001C Foodi PossibleCooker Pro, your ultimate kitchen companion that replaces 14 cooking tools and appliances with its versatile 8-in-1 functionality. From slow cooking to steaming to baking, this multi-cooker offers cooker-to-oven-to-table convenience, making anything possible in the kitchen. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours to start cooking like a pro today. Versatile 8-in-1 cooking functions. The Ninja MC1001C Foodi PossibleCooker Pro is designed to meet all your cooking needs with its 8 versatile functions. Whether you want to slow cook a hearty stew, sauté vegetables, or bake a delicious dessert, this multi-cooker has you covered. With the ability to replace 14 cooking tools and appliances, it offers unmatched convenience and versatility. Sear and sauté directly in the pot. Say goodbye to messy stovetop cooking, thanks to the Ninja MC1001C Foodi PossibleCooker Pro's bottom heating elements. You can now sear proteins and sauté vegetables directly in the cooking pot, eliminating the need for additional pans and minimizing cleanup time. Enjoy hassle-free cooking and delicious results every time. Oven-safe and perfect for entertaining. With its oven-safe cooking pot, the Ninja MC1001C Foodi PossibleCooker Pro allows you to finish your meals in the oven for a crispy top or to keep them warm until serving. Its generous 8.5 quart capacity makes it perfect for entertaining, allowing you to cook large batches of your favorite dishes for gatherings of all sizes. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or a family gathering, this multi-cooker has you covered. Triple fusion heat technology for faster cooking. Experience faster cooking times with the Ninja MC1001C Foodi PossibleCooker Pro's triple fusion heat technology. By combining bottom, side, and steam heating elements, this innovative cooker cooks up to 30% faster than conventional ovens. Enjoy more heat and more possibilities in the kitchen, from quick weeknight dinners to elaborate weekend feasts. Included accessories for added convenience. The Ninja MC1001C Foodi PossibleCooker Pro comes with everything you need to get started, including a glass lid and integrated spoon. Plus, its non-stick cooking pot ensures easy cleanup so you can spend less time washing dishes and more time enjoying your culinary creations. In conclusion, the Ninja MC1001C Foodi PossibleCooker Pro is a game-changer for home cooks who want to simplify their kitchen routine and elevate their cooking skills. With its versatile cooking functions, faster cooking times, oven-safe design, and convenient accessories, this multi-cooker is sure to become an essential part of your kitchen arsenal. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.